Hey guys, it's Ben here, Bijame Wao from the beautiful islands of Seychelles. What I want to talk about right now, because everything is happening now, so you might hear this recording at night or in the morning. So, however, just for your personal knowledge, that one is done at night. However, I feel quite energized right now, so it felt like the daylight for me. Anyway, either way, this recording is about recording. No joke, guys. Okay, so but ironically, it's for all the entrepreneur out there per se, who who's building their YouTube channel, or how can I say it, or Facebook live recording videos and so forth. This is just like a message or an inspirational message on how you can better, or what type of contents that better have impact. Okay, now I heard that sometimes some people love like copying per se other people content and share, like they talk on that, which might be okay. I'm not saying it's okay because you don't copy it much. Perhaps you like you listen to somebody else's content and you talk about it similar way. Okay, that's a for me, this is a possibility. Okay, but lately I've been, how can I say this, not intend to do that, but I jot down some notes when I'm listening to other coaches or the mentors. But when I want to share something, it's not about their notes, or or the contents that they shared. It's like literally all of the content is like an instantaneous inspiration when I'm relaxed. Okay, and that's when, for me, like the best stuff comes out. Okay, and even like sometimes I intend to talk about certain topic, or certain points. Along the way, guess what's happened? Some new contents pop up. Some new contents sorry about that. Some new contents about the similar topic, the topic that I'm talking on, or on other topics. Like I can do other recordings, other videos on other topics later on, just because I'm sharing with you what I'm sharing with you right now. Okay. Today I had an interesting experience while I was doing a recording on manifestation, a manifesting journal. Okay, I'm posting this in my Facebook group challenge on on manifestation. So it's only $25 this July 2020. So getting now, okay, it will go higher. Okay, sorry about that. But the amazing thing, the astonishing thing about it, about that experience, like something new just pop up. I was like just talking about manifestation, good energy, and poof, I saw coin on the floor, on the table. Okay, so I pick up money. So that was like amazing. I was talking about journal and stuff, manifesting how, why it is important to have a manifestation journal. And poof, new contents, like in the three dimension, just pop up. I continue share the recording on that. So yeah, that's my inspiration for many of you manifestation coaches, or any coach or anybody entrepreneur doing content about on YouTube or on Facebook or any social media whereby you're sharing recording like I'm doing right now, or some sort of voice or just a video, okay, my recommendation or the best approach is recordings from your heart, okay, the contents like I'm doing right now, contents that come like from your heart, from you personally. And this type of contents, that's where most people resonate with. I say that or share that is because there's this lady, there's this manifestation coach also, like you have to associate yourself with other like-minded individual. I like her materials, and oftentimes she recommends some other people. I'm like, oh no, I want to hear her, I like her stuff. There's something about her, she's unique, she speaks from the heart, okay. So boom, if I'm attracted towards that, and and you are attracted towards my material, boom, you're constantly listening to my material, boom. Okay. You're getting me. It's that relationship with one another, okay. People can sense if you're copying a content from other people, like from other sources. So having a first-hand experience on most of your content is very powerful, okay. So yeah, that is it. Another example also, I shared like some success stories on my YouTube channel there. Boom, it's like how can I say it? It's from the heart, it's personal experience, and and I share some like some tips how you can do it also on your side, some money manifestation, or I don't know, like many and others, basically success stories, okay. I know it's success stories, it's like testimonials, but it's from your heart, okay. It's your own experience, your own personal experience, and where you share a teaching on your own personal experience, the level of energy that flows from your heart, from you to that student is powerful, okay. So that builds up a strong bond between you and the student, okay, the teacher and the student. So hence, what will happen as an entrepreneur, when there is trust and love within the teacher and the student, okay, there is that relationship, okay, the student will automatically want to level up, will automatically want to get more of you, purchase your products or service. It ultimately, one thing that I learned from a millionaire mentor is, how can I say it, people don't buy the product or service, or the how can I say, if you're in network marketing also like me, they don't buy those network marketing, they buy you. You're the front end here, you're the product, basically. That's what he like saying, you're the product. So if you're the product, keep giving people good stuff from you, okay, good content coming from you, coming from your heart, great value that will empower their lives, okay. So give it a go, give it a try, and make it happen. Let's make it win. So if you want to check out our manifestation group, Facebook challenge, let me know. Check out the link below, or at the end of the video. If you see this on a video, at the end of the video I put probably the Patreon group. Or if you want some coaching, some empowerment, I got some cool package. Check out some, the links below, okay, or at the end, whereby there's the list there. So thank you for listening, guys. I'm Benjamin Wao from the beautiful islands of Seychelles, your manifestation coach, bringing you more success and prosperity in your life. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.